Hey there, it's Todd, and today I want to talk about aperture and how that relates to shooting video. First off, what is aperture? Well, aperture controls the amount of light coming into your camera. Kind of like your pupil in your eye controls the amount of light coming into your eye. But it also controls your depth of field, or how much is in focus in your frame. Do you want everything behind your subject to be in focus or blurry? Well, aperture controls that. So here's what you need to know about aperture. The lower the number, the more light you're letting into your camera, and the shallower your depth of field, which means more will be out of focus behind and in front of your subject. Now, the higher the number on your aperture, the less light you let into your camera, and the deeper the depth of field, which means more will be in focus in front and behind your subject. So why would you want to make things more or less in focus? Well, by doing so, you actually help to focus the audience's attention on what's actually important. If you want your audience to only focus on a single subject, you might want to have a lower aperture so that you isolate that individual and everything else is out of focus. If you want the audience to see everything and everyone in a space, then you would probably want a higher aperture or a deeper depth of field so more of the scene is in focus. Now, keep in mind how much you want in or out of focus depends on your type of storytelling, but also remember that changing your aperture also controls the amount of light coming into your camera, and you're probably going to have to balance that with external lights or adjusting your ISO. Now, keep in mind, obviously rules are meant to be broken, but learn these simple rules and then you can start bending them. And with that being said, if you want to learn more in-depth information about this subject or just shooting video in general, check out the Fronos Photo Guide to Shooting Video. I teamed up with Jared Poland from Fronos Photo to create over 6 hours of educational video about everything shooting video. And the best part is that once we show you all the ins and outs on how to shoot video, we take you on 4 real-world video shoots and show you how to shoot a music video, a commercial, a short film, and even a YouTube video. If that sounds like something you might be interested in, go check it out at fronosphoto.com/video and check it out for yourself. And you can take advantage of an exclusive discount just for you.